Good evening. Hi guys. I just arrived to Mardin. This is a very historical city in the south part of Turkey. So I just checked into my hotel room and it was quite complicated actually to arrive here because it's kind of locked down at the moment. It's a weekend lockdown in Turkey, but I managed to arrive around 8, 9 p.m. But the topic of this video is about the boutique hotel I'm staying at the moment for $15 in Turkey. I'm actually super amazed and surprised at the same time, and I wanted to show you around first before I destroy the room, sleep over the bed, and so I want to show you as it is right now. So we can start with the bedroom. So when you enter from this door, you have very small door. Actually, when I am entering, I need to do like this, but I like it. It's kind of like it's an additional feature, I think, for the room. And when you enter, that's how it looks like. I want first, I think you have to see the ceiling. It's absolutely rocks, and I love this light here. And we have a king bed here, which is super cozy. I love the colors, the combinations. So yeah, that's how it looks like. So there is a small TV here. This is my bag, obviously. There's a small kettle here for tea or for coffee. Then you can hang your things here, your clothes, which is nice as well. And we have this nice lamps as well next to the bed. Yeah, it's just amazing. Look at this walls and everything. It's like kind of like time traveling in your hotel room. And then there's like small place for beauty stuff. You can get ready to get out. And then we have here air conditioning, which will keep my room warm. And we have a small fridge as well here. Well, there's nothing. And there's also this small windows. It's not actually looking to outside or anywhere. It's just for the, I think, decoration. Yeah, I'm pretty amazed. So can you imagine, like, all this room is only for $15? And this is only the bedroom, and then I will show you also the toilet and the bathroom. I think it's really unique as well. That's something I haven't seen, like something like this before. So this is about the room. Again, if you want to have a look more closely. I think it's just great for the price. I haven't tested the bed, how comfortable is it, but I will let you know maybe in the morning. So when you get out of the bedroom, you have this small room here as a hall, and then you enter to the bathroom. It has a sliding door. When you enter, there's a sink for washing your hands. They have a small hair dryer as well. On the right, we have a toilet and a few more items. And then you get to the shower, which is amazing. So there's this small mirror as well here. And look at this. Can you imagine like showering here? And look at this. This is like so ancient. It's just amazing. Yeah, they include also this shampoos, body wash and everything. Yeah, pretty amazing. Back to the bedroom. Yeah, I'm only here like 10 minutes. I'm smiling whole time. I think it's really great price for the place and for the atmosphere as well. And for now, I see only two problems with the pricing and with the room. First thing is about the daylight. Basically, there is no windows around here. Not sure what about the other rooms, if there's any windows looking outside if there's a daylight. So as I mentioned, there's this small windows, but it's only for the decoration. And the second problem, for the price, it's only $15, even though, but there is no breakfast included in the price. I'm not sure if this is because of the COVID-19 situation, they don't serve breakfast, or it's not included in the price. But I double checked if I can pay extra, but they are not serving breakfast at the moment. So that's it. I mean, I will be spending the night here. Actually, I booked 2 nights here, and I will be exploring Mardin, and I can show you around as well when it will be daylight. At the moment, it's quite dark. I couldn't see the view. And this place is also very famous with their view, with the terrace as well. And that's something I will show you in the morning, guys. So thank you for watching until that point, and see you during the daylight. Good morning, guys. I just woke up to this amazing view from Mardin. This is basically the same hotel view. It's amazing. You can see almost whole Mesopotamia here. And I have my Turkish tea and enjoying the view here. And this is the hotel view from outside. I think during the summer you can have really good time here, sitting and checking out this amazing view. I will be checking with the receptionist if I can show you more rooms actually, so stay tuned, guys. I'm almost back at the hotel, and I'm just coming back from my grocery shopping since everything is kind of closed, so I cannot buy anything from the restaurant or the cafe. Anyway, I just arrived to the hotel, and I wanted to show you also the entrance, which is quite cool. During the night it has like so much lights, and it was very special entrance, how to say. This is the name of the hotel, and here's a small door. I got the approval from the receptionist to show you another different room in this hotel, and this is the one. 301. Supposed to be open. Oh wow. Very nice. So there are like 4 beds, 1 king bed and 2 single beds. I think this is more like for the families, but the design is quite similar. Not sure if there are lights. Yeah, that's it. Similar items as in my room. So there's a small TV here, air conditioning, refrigerator, kettle for water boiling, and I guess this is the toilet. Let's see if we have the lights on. Oh wow. So there's this like jacuzzi. Wow, that literally looks much bigger and much better than my room. And there's a toilet here. Amazing. Again, I need to get out from the toilet like this, but I like it. It has this kind of nice feature. Yeah, basically that's the room. I think this is better than my room, of course, because it's bigger and everything, but at the same time it has a daylight from the windows, 2 windows, but in my room there's only very small window with the light. I can only recognize if it's day or night, and that's it, but it doesn't bring any light to the room. Yeah, I think it's all worth it. Probably this room is much bigger, much more expensive than my room, but still my room I think is really good price. $15 for the boutique hotel, such atmosphere like you're living in a cave. It's great. Yeah, that's it for the tour with the hotel. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.